and topic is noun, common noun. So students, you already know about noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Name of persons like Rahul, Raju, Hussain, Hassan. Okay. Name of fruits like grapes, banana, apple, orange, strawberry, etc. Name of vegetables, cucumber, chili, papaya, okay, potato. Name of flowers like jasmine, sunflower, hibiscus, dahlia, okay, and name of things like cap, television, bell, bus, etc. Name of birds sparrow, kingfisher, crow, owl, parrot, etc. So, noun is the name of persons, places, animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, flowers, things, etc. So, noun is a naming word. Now, let's learn more about noun, that is common noun. Let's see. Okay, so students, let's see about common noun. So here students, common nouns, names of any person, place, thing or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Examples: teacher, baseball, flower, city, etc. Means students, common nouns refer to persons, places or things in a general way. Common nouns do not refer to a particular person or place or thing. Common nouns do not need capital letters unless they start a sentence. Okay? So here student, the term common noun is an indefinite name of any place, person, thing, object or idea which is used commonly in place of the proper noun. Okay? So for example, the first one, children are playing games in recess time. So here common noun is children. Second one, he has spread a perfume in the entire house. So here perfume and house is a common noun. Third one, a tunnel is going to be started very soon. So here tunnel. Okay, tunnel is a common noun. Now let's see more example of common nouns. See here few more example of common nouns like hairspray, car, caterpillar, butterfly, elephant, hat, orange, mango, bread, pear, knife, cheese, etc. Okay, these are the examples of common nouns. Let's see some more examples, students. Cat, man, furniture, boy, house, flower, fruit, animals, etc. These are the examples of common nouns. Let's see some more examples, students, here. Let's read the sentences. In the sentences, let's find out common noun. The computer I just bought is very solid. So here computer is a common noun. He broke the plate I gave him to put on the table. So here plate and table is a common noun. She could not look at the TV because her eyes were on the phone all the time. So here TV and phone is common noun. I washed all the pillows in the room. So here pillows is a common noun. I accidentally broke my favorite glass. So here glass is common noun. So here let's revise it again, students. Common nouns. Common nouns are any person, place or thing. They are not capitalized. Okay, for example, school, flower, doctor, globe, etc. Okay, so students, again I am going to explain you. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And what is common noun? Common nouns refer to person, places or things in a general way. Common nouns do not refer to a particular person or place or thing. Common nouns do not need capital letters unless they start a sentence. Okay? Okay, students, so you have to solve page number English grammar workbook page number 17 and 18. Okay, homework for you students. Okay, now thank you and have a nice day, students.